How to log in into ULB Haryana property tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into ULB Haryana property tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now search for the ULB Haryana property tax login on the search bar. After searching, different websites and links will be appeared on your screen like this. Click on the first website that says ULB Haryana. Now you will be directed to this page where you need to select your language. You can select English language from the top right corner. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom and here you will see the option that says login using mobile number, email ID or PID. You can select any of the option from these three different options. Let's say I will choose email ID. Now just enter your email ID and click on send OTP and it will send you a one-time password, that means OTP. Just you need to copy that and paste it here. Once you have entered your OTP, you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.